Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Source Selection. Friends, I am Shivam Sharma, previously was in IDBI, now working in Bank of Baroda. In this video, we will do daily GK update of 19 August 2020. If you want this PDF and also daily quizzes, get attached to my WhatsApp GA group, link is in the pinned comment of video. Now let's start. Article 77. So Article 77 is the article under which President changed the name of HRD Ministry to National Education Ministry. So just remember Article 77 is that article under which President Mr. Ramnath Kovind has changed the name of HRD Ministry to Education Ministry. Alek. Alek is the e-newsletter on health and nutrition by Ministry of Tribal Affairs, that is Tribal Ministry. So Alek is the e-newsletter on health and nutrition by Tribal Ministry. So just remember it. Jharkhand government has introduced the new state emblem, that is circle in shaped, and state animal of Jharkhand is elephant and state flower is plas. सो प्लास का फूल स्टेट फ्लावर है झारखंड का एंड स्टेट एनिमल जो है झारखंड का वो एलिफेंट है. मंदुई धी रेलवे स्टेशन ऑफ विच स्टेट इज रीनेम्ड एज बनारस रेलवे स्टेशन. सो मंदुई धी is in Uttar Pradesh and it has been renamed as Banaras railway station. It is 4 km far away from Banaras, so it is renamed as Banaras railway station Mandui Di in Uttar Pradesh. IAF C-17 aircraft of Indian Air Force flied to Lebanon with 58 मिलियन टन ऑफ इमरजेंसी ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एड. सो अभी लेबनान में एक ब्लास्ट हुआ था एंड काफ़ी डिजास्ट्रस था वो. एंड IAF जो इंडियन एयरफोर्स का C-17 एयरक्राफ्ट है वो गया है लेबनान विथ 58 मिलियन टन ऑफ एड्स के साथ, जो फ़ायदा देगा वहाँ ह्यूमनिटी को. एंड लेबनान की कैपिटल है बेरत एंड करेंसी इज़ पाउंड. Ethanol Blended Program EBP. India to achieve 10% bioethanol blending of petrol by 2022 and raise it to 20% by 2030. So ethanol blended program में इंडिया जो है वो 10% बायोएथनॉल ब्लेंडिंग ऑफ पेट्रोल अचीव करेगा बाई 2022 एंड इसे बढ़ा देगा 20% बाई 2030. And World Biofuels Day was on 10 August and theme was Biofuels towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Biofuels towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. So just remember this news. Under Partial Credit Guarantee Scheme, that is PCGS 2.0, the Finance Ministry increased the maximum limit for purchase of AA and AA minus bonds and commercial paper by public sector bank from 25% to how much percent? So it is 50%. So now for bonds and commercial paper by public sector banks, maximum limit for purchase has been raised from 25% to 50%. 50%. Also 50% एक और लिमिट है, वो आई थिंक जो मैक्सिमम प्रेफरेंस दी जाएगी वो जो 50% से ज़्यादा लोकल जिसका वो होगा उस उन कंपनीज़ को दी जाएगी. ये आई थिंक जून की न्यूज़ है. Which two countries have agreed the historic peace agreement, namely Abraham Accord? So Abraham Accord is the peace agreement between Israel and UAE. Israel capital and currency is Jerusalem and shekel. UAE capital is Abu Dhabi and currency is dirham. So just remember both Abraham Accord Israel and UAE. Muthoot Finance plus Kotak Mahindra Insurance has launched COVID insurance cover against gold loans. So just remember Muthoot Finance plus Kotak Mahindra Insurance, COVID insurance cover against gold loans. Next news is about which state government has tied up with NPCI and Canara Bank to launch digital payment services through UPI, that is Unified Payment Interface, in villages and Gram Panchayat. So it is Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh has tied up with NPCI and Canara to launch digital payment services through UPI in villages and Gram Panchayats. Flipkart plus IIT Patna. They both have collaborated, Flipkart and IIT Patna, to support the industry focused applied research. So just remember Flipkart plus IIT Patna, industry focused applied research. Satyapal Malik is now governor of Meghalaya and Bhagat Singh has been given the charge of Goa also. So he was already the governor of Maharashtra. Now Goa also, and Satyapal Malik is governor of Meghalaya. Rakesh Asthana is now DG of BSF, Director General of Border Security Force. Rakesh Asthana. Prashant Joshi is now MD and Head of Distribution, DBS Bank. DBS Bank. Brand Ambassador of Oakley is now Rohit Sharma, Brand Ambassador of Oakley. Rohit Sharma, very famous cricketer of Indian team. First list of highest paid actors for 2020. Dwayne Johnson, he top, and Akshay Kumar is ranked 6th. Dwayne Johnson. Tamil Nadu CM Special Award, Soumya Swaminathan. Soumya Swaminathan. Organic farming and farmers. So in organic farmers, India is ranked 1, and area under organic farming, India is ranked 9th. So just remember both. In organic farmers, India ranked 1, and area under organic farming, India ranked 9th. And Sikkim was the first state to be completely organic. Just remember all of them. Which company has backed the 13th edition IPL sponsorship rights, which is going to be held in UAE? So 13th edition of IPL will be held in UAE, and Dream 11 has backed the 13th edition of IPL sponsorship right, Dream 11. Now obituaries. Pandit Jasraj was vocalist. Angela Buxton, related to tennis, and Russell Kirsch was the inventor of pixels. So just remember all of them. Pandit Jasraj, vocalist; Angela Buxton, tennis; and Russell Kirsch was the inventor of pixels. India Healthcare Week. It was from 17 to 21 August. Redefining India's healthcare system. India's Healthcare Week, 17 to 21 August. Redefining India's healthcare system was the theme. Now static from current. Modak Sagar Lake, it is in Maharashtra. Betla Park, it is in Jharkhand. Bison Rajbari Park, that is National Park, is in Tripura. Clouded Leopard National Park is also in Tripura. So this was the news for today. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also get attached to the WhatsApp GA group for PDFs and daily quizzes. Thanks a lot.